Okay, I got a 2001 F550 with a 16-foot box on the back of it. It's got a 6-foot aluminum platform lift. It's rated for 1,600 pounds. I have a FS 6600 diesel. It's the Husqvarna line. It was a Demus. It's a 2006 Demus. Husqvarna bought them out. It's got the John Deere motor on it. Got a mounting bracket with a sledgehammer, burger bar, shovel, place for cans of paint, squeegee, push broom, brand new one, never been used. Blade guards, one on the saw is an 18-inch, 26-inch, and 36-inch. A place to put all your blades, a electric jackhammer, a 50-gallon fuel cell, a 300-gallon tote water tank, an EF 5200 generator. There's a cabinet for storage cabinet. A 6.5 horsepower pressure washer. A Cardi 16-inch electric Cardi, and I also have the flush cut adapter to that. A K1250 16-inch handsaw. A grabber vacuum cleaner. It's got a 15-foot hose on it, and I'm going to be ordering a new head to it because it's kind of wore out. I built this custom cabinet here, core drill cabinet. It holds up to a 16-inch bit. All the bits that you see, I got extensions. I got 3 extensions, so you can drill up to 4 feet deep. I got 2 columns, one for the wall and one for my vacuum base. Got a 4-speed Cardi core drill. It's around 2 years old. No issues whatsoever with it or with the saw. I'll be starting the saw here in a minute. I got a rotor hammer, a Bosch rotor hammer. It's the higher end one. Let's see what number it is. I don't know what the number is. T1250, I think, or something like that. Something like that. I don't know. But anyways, let's start my saw up. Everything works on the truck. The generator starts right up. It takes 2 pulls, starts right up. Runs. I got a 110 water pump here. That's my water supply, and you can connect that hydrant hose to a hydrant. There's your fill up valve right there. That's the truck, the saw, the platform, and I forgot the keys to the truck, so let me run in real quick. Oh, also, in the cell of the truck, I also have a a saw trailer. It's a platform that lowers all the way to the ground level, and it's raised by that thing right there. But it's the saw. The trailer is rated for 2,000 pounds, and this winch is I think it's a 1,000-pound winch. It's kind of cheesy, but it actually lifts my saw, that FS 6600. I've used it, and that's an 1,800-pound saw. So anyways, let me run in, grab the keys to the truck, and then I'll start it real quick. I do have a rip in the seat. It's a pretty bad one too. Nothing that a seat cover wouldn't fix. It's got 188,000 miles on it. Here's the engine compartment. Now, everything that is in the inside of this box is included in the cell except the green toolbox, which is right here. It's got my personal tools in it, and I like it, so I want to keep it. But anyways, everything you see is included in the cell. And also the trailer. So I want $32,500. I'm willing to negotiate a little bit. If you got any questions, give me a call. My phone number is 661-487-8668. Thank you.